Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a simple way of trading applied in Aussie Australian dollar. I applied the same strategy also some days ago. This analysis was shared on October 23rd. As you may see, the price performed very well and reached also the second target close to the top of the chart. And actually we may see that the price is moving down. So let's see what is already happening on higher time frame. So on a weekly chart that I'm looking at Aussie USD, the price is moving only down from the top, and since the mid of August price was on consolidation here. I was expecting for a bullish move, however you can see that the price broke down and we have another correction moment. It seems that the price doesn't want to move lower on weekly chart. So let's see what is happening on a daily chart. From the previous time that we had the weekly breakout from the structure, the price didn't move too much, so it is doing ups and downs within this area, and this is showing that we have a lot of buyers that are well positioned there. So the price is not holding on the bearish breakout side, but it keeps doing ups and downs. On the current price development, we may also see that since the beginning of October, price tested 0.6390 and it proved several times that this is a very strong area. So we have the buyers that are well positioned in this zone. It can be distinguished very easily because we have one retest, second, third, we had a fourth one, and during all the times that the price came down, we may see all this move that were created. So look at what the price created here. All these moves, some of them are small and some of them are bigger in time. So far the price is moving down again. This is increasing the chances that if we are going to see the price coming close to the same area, we may see Aussie USD to bounce from this zone. So this is what I'm looking at. It looks very interesting as a pattern, how it is taking shape. It looks like a type of sideways pattern for the moment. However, it is more complex than that because the price is still in development. We may see that we have big waves, we have small waves, we have also other minor waves, but all the time the price is giving us an opportunity to close some profits. As a minimum movement, if price is going to test the bottom of this area again, this is showing to be a very strong and probably a key support zone. We may have the chance to take up to 55 pips on the first target, so it is not bad at all if the price is going to test the bottom, and up to the second target that we already had. This is approximately 90 to 100 pips only for the small waves, but it is likely that the price may increase also further from this point, and we may see Aussie USD testing these structure areas here. So this is the profit potential that we may see again on Aussie USD this time. However, one step at a time. For the moment the price is moving down, it is releasing liquidity. It is not clear why this movement today is happening because Australian dollar was very strong during the night. However, this is offering the possibility for another bullish wave here. These are very good targets, fast targets. Probably the price may reach these two targets as intraday target, probably, and the biggest ones, the last two targets, they make sense that they can be swing targets for Aussie Australian dollar. However, let's see what is going to happen. From a fundamental perspective, the focus for today will be on the Bank of Canada interest rate decision. So it is almost empty from the US. Also, the market today is not moving very well, it's very quiet. The focus is only on the Bank of Interest rate decision. It is not expected any movement, so it is not expected that they may increase the interest rates. It is not related directly with Aussie USD, but we have seen several times that all USD and Canadian dollar moves almost in the same direction. So it will create price volatility also for Aussie USD also this time. During the evening, European evening, we have President Lagarde that have the speech, and also Chair Powell. I'm not clear about the topic that they will discuss, but probably they may share the same old things again. On Thursday, we have data from the US, very important data. We have the GDP numbers. It is expected that we may see for this quarter an increase on the GDP numbers, and the US economy is already performing very well. And from the European zone, we have the ECB press conference. This will be very, very important. On Friday, we have Tokyo Consumer Price Index. The market will focus on this index because it's very important for the Japanese economy. We may see big moves on the Japanese yen. That is why we have to be very careful and to focus on this indicator when the market will release this. And also core personal consumption expenditures. This is going to be very important for the US during the opening. So let's see. For today, we have only the Bank of Canada interest rate decision, and it should help Aussie USD to increase further. So let's see what is going to happen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.